Alright guys, so it's another drift day. We're out here at Midwest Banger 7 in Cedar Rapids. It's supposed to be a rainy day, so hopefully that means we'll save some tires, but unfortunately that means it won't be a very good test for the car as far as grip goes. But at least we'll be able to test out the SLR kit and see how that is. So we're going to swap some tires around and get to driving.
Pieces. Hey! Oh, that sucks.
Completely shredded?
Yep. Thanks, buddy. You want to just throw it in the trunk? Yeah. Damn it. Should have to stitch that shit together. Oh, yeah. Except usually that happens when you hit something, not just because it fucking decided to fall off. Thank you. What happened?
I don't know.
It won't rev? Well, that's weird. I wondered where you went.
I didn't bring a laptop.
Uh-oh.
So we're not having the best of luck today. First lap out, bumper fell off and I ran over it and split that in half. And then we started having an issue with the car making a weird noise, almost like a farting in the exhaust. And couldn't really figure out what it was, but I'm suspecting either the turbo or something in the engine. So I just kept driving it and figured I'd find out what broke once it broke. And then the car started getting hot, which turned out just to be the fan wires came unplugged because I forgot to tape the connectors together. So we got that fixed. I've adjusted fuel pressure, changed boost levels, done several things, and still haven't quite fixed the problem. But we're gonna go out and try to send it again and see what happens. So yeah. so we got the car running a lot better. It turns out the fan wires were disconnected, so reconnected those, cooled her down, and she's good now. Still making kind of a funny noise, but it's ripping, so all good there. Michael actually blew the clutch in his car, so I'm gonna let him take a couple laps in the 2JZ E36. This car's definitely not the easiest to just hop in and drive, so he'll probably struggle a little bit the first lap or two, but we'll just have to wait and see. I love it. You get used to it. It does stick for a second usually when you clutch kick, but handbrake. Oh, you didn't give the gas. I forgot to warn you about that. When you clutch into handbrake, you gotta flip the throttle. Flip the throttle, flip the throttle. Fucking thing in second gear.
Yeah, I was barely handling it, so I didn't have to shift to third.
Yeah.
So I was like, I can't do it. It's too much to think about.
Yeah. If you have to come out of drift and put it in third and then clutch kick again, fucking do that. Start in second, get up to speed, put it in third. Now clutch it. That one. There you go. Flip it, flip it.
So much easier.
Yeah.
Fucking feels fast though.
you could have clutch kicked there and got you a little more angle and it would have been more stable. Yeah. It just seemed like you were trying to get it to go a little bit, like you thought about hand braking, which you did on the last lap, but instead of hand braking, you could have just clutch kicked it.
Well, it wasn't. I'm used to the clutching when it bogs.
Right, it was bogged a little bit.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. You ready?
Alright, so that's going to do it for this one. All in all, the event went really well. The SLR angle kit worked awesome. It's going to take a little bit of time getting used to, but it's definitely way better than the cut knuckles I had before. Michael, he really hated the car at first. Like I thought, it's pretty challenging to drive, mainly because it's a turbo car and it doesn't make any boost until after 4,000 RPM. So that combined with it having a pretty decent amount of grip makes it really hard to keep it in the power band. But after he figured it out, was a little more committed with the throttle, he started to really do well and started to really enjoy the car. So it was a lot of fun. I'm glad he got to experience it. And I'm excited to keep driving the car and get more and more familiar with it and see what it can really do. So until next time, we'll see you guys later.